Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button. I make videos daily and you do not want to miss it. In this video, we're going to talk about the Target Red Card, why you should get it, and what you should know about it. So if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. So happy to have you. I promise to give you all stuff and no fluff. These are very conversational, short videos. So I hope you enjoy it. Smash the like button and get involved in the comment section today. Would love to hear your opinion and your review in the comment section. And for all of you radical marketers out there, double salute. Appreciate you guys. Lighten up the videos with comments and likes. You guys are the reason why this channel is blowing up. So do that right now. And if you guys want to be a part of my private Facebook group, the link is in the description below. And so is the Instagram. So you guys can hit me up on Instagram for your credit questions. All right, guys, in this review, we're going to talk about the store card from Target. Who doesn't love Target? I love Target better than Walmart. Put Walmart and Target in the comment section. Let me know which one you guys like better. Now, I want to let you guys know about something that a lot of people don't know about. With Target store card, they have two things. You can apply for debit or you can apply for credit. Why would anybody want to apply for debit? I just have to ask that question. Why? I mean, I know Dave Ramsey's on this side and I'm on this side, but I mean, think about it for a second. You're going to do all of your shopping with debit, right? You're going to have purchase history, and you're really not going to be rewarded for it like you would with credit. If you do the credit, then what's going to happen is it's going to be underwritten by TD Bank, Toronto, the Toronto Bank, as you guys know, TD Bank. And basically, if you do the credit, you're going to be able to start building a relationship with TD Bank. So I'm big about getting in the door with store cards and building out the relationship with banks. Even a lot of times, these store cards can get bought out by different carriers. For example, I had a Pottery Barn with Synchrony, and Capital One bought it out, and they moved my entire credit line with Synchrony all the way over to Capital One. So now I have a $25,000 credit line at Capital One with Pottery Barn because I had that with Synchrony. And the thing is, a lot of these store cards, they can do soft pulls for the credit limit increases. So that's what's really cool with store cards that get bought out. And that's happening left and right with store cards. I even think that Gap and Banana Republic got bought out by Barclay, if I'm not mistaken. But we'll see. We'll see what happens with those store cards as well. So you're going to be able to establish a relationship with TD Bank. You're going to get a 5% discount by using the credit card, and you're going to get free shipping, which I like as well. Also, one of the best things about this card is if you're trying to build credit or you don't have credit, this is going to be a card that you would actually use every day to do so. So if you don't have credit or you're trying to build credit, you're going to have a great shot at getting approved for this card. And also, you're going to also get consistent credit limit increases. I've heard a lot of people start at $300 to $500, and then within a year, they're at $2,000 credit limit increase. So it's like every 6 months, they're going to be increasing you automatically on the credit limit increase. So that's really nice. But the biggest thing that you guys got to know about is you need to be using the credit card so that way that can happen. These are one of the few store cards that can actually convert into a full-fledged credit card. So after a year of usage, you have an opportunity to get this upgraded to the Target MasterCard, which is an unsecured card, and you can use it anywhere that you want. And the history will convert, and the credit limits will raise, and it's really favorable for building and repairing credit. More so building credit than anything. I tell people the biggest mistakes people make when they're starting to build credit, they don't know the game. So they end up getting garbage cards like Credit One or Olo or all these cards that they don't need to be getting, where they can do store cards that they actually are going to use. Go to credit unions with getting secured cards or unsecured cards for starter cards, and really building out the profile nicely where you're not having a bunch of junk on your credit report, because credit age is important, and if you're getting temporary cards, you're messing with that age. You're paying unnecessary annual fees, a lot of high interest. So I recommend this Target card. As you guys can see, like I said, 5% at Target. You're going to have free shipping. You can order online, get free shipping. You're going to have a lot of different deals and clearance deals. You can save a ton on groceries if you do your grocery shopping there. Also save on clothes there for sure. And you guys can read through the disclosures and stuff like that. There's no annual fee for the card, which is nice. So it's not going to cost you anything to have the card. But I really like this card. And also, if you apply here soon, now I know that this by the time I release this video, this offer will probably end. But you definitely always want to look for, always wait for fourth quarter to really apply for the credit cards, because you're going to be having the highest sign-on bonuses. As of me recording this, you're getting $50 off a future qualifying purchase when you're approved. But here's the thing. Do you think it's going to be a better deal now to sign up for the card, or in November or in December, right? So I would kind of wait for November to get this card, just because Black Friday is going to roll around and you can use this card and get the savings on Black Friday at Target. And we all know Target has good Black Friday sales. But like I said, I like this card because it's not just going to stay a store card. It's going to convert into a full-fledged MasterCard, which is going to be helpful for you guys so you're not wasting inquiries on accounts that don't matter. So I'm a big fan of this, and I'm a big fan of you guys having a relationship with TD Bank. It's a good bank to have a relationship with. They're a good regional bank, like Regions, like Key Bank, like all of them out there, PNC, Huntington. So they're a mid-range bank, and they're good to have data points with in a relationship with. You just never know when you're going to need them. And they've been kind of known for helping people establish credit, TD Bank. But let me know in the comment section, have you guys had a relationship with TD Bank? What's your relationship been? How do you guys like the Target card? Do you have it? What other cards are comparable? Put it in the comment section below. I know that this video is geared for people trying to build credit or repair credit. So I wanted to make videos on that. Check out the playlist. I have playlists on all of these type of subjects. No credit check products, to building business credit, to repairing credit, to financial literacy. I'm literally trying to create a community with thousands and thousands of videos where you guys can learn from them and ask questions in the comment section and get your questions answered. And then you guys can also get a little bit more intimate on top of that and join the private Facebook group, because every single day there's tips and hacks and tricks dropped all the time in the private Facebook group, and we talk a little bit more fluidly and more frank in that, because it's more of a closed community. So definitely take advantage of that. I know I'm rambling a little bit here, but I also want to make sure that you guys know that I don't necessarily do credit consultations as of right now, but you guys are always more than welcome to send me a DM on Instagram, and I try to get to the messages when I can and give you guys an answer to your DM about your credit question. So add me on Instagram as well. I'll be doing a lot of giveaways coming up here in 2022 and really growing the Instagram platform and doing interviews and things like that on there. So you guys definitely want to be following me on Instagram and the private Facebook group. And then if you guys have a video you guys want me to make, or research a product for you, definitely throw it in the comment section below. All right, guys, that's enough of the video. That's enough for Target One, for the Target store card. Definitely don't get the debit card. Get the credit card. I approve of it. I think it's amazing for people trying to build credit. If you already have credit, I don't actually recommend it, because I think there's a lot of better cards out there. You don't want to take this card away from your 524 rule, all right? And you don't want to waste inquiries and accounts on things that you're really not going to use. So only get this card if you're trying to build credit or repair credit, but I would stay away if you have established credit unless you're a diehard Target shopper. All right, guys, salute.